Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a 12 volt inverter charger. This thing right here puts out pure sine wave. Okay, it's from Ames Power right here, and we're going to go over this. So not only does it have pure sine wave with this inverter charger, it also have AGS, which is automatic generator start. Okay, so you'll have your backup power coming from battery, and when that battery is depleted, it will automatically start this generator right here, which is also from Ames Power. Let's go over the inverter first. Okay, so this is the Ames Power. It has pure sine wave. It's a pure sine wave inverter and charger. You can see it has a high output ability. It transfers in 10 milliseconds. Optional LCD screen. We do have the optional LCD screen right here. Okay, so you could do all your control. You could control the inverter from this screen on all the programming right from this screen. It has low idle consumption, battery temperature sensor, which we also have the battery temperature sensor right here. This helps you get a better charge, not overheat your battery. Like I said, the AGS, automatic generator start, and battery charging with power from the grid or generator. In this case, we're going to be using the generator as the backup source. On this side, you'll have your output and input. So this would be the connection for the generator, and this would be the connection going out to your transfer switch. Okay, cooling fans on the back. You have your charger reset, inverter reset, some fins on the side so the heat can come out. This inverter is a 12 volt inverter charger. Adjust the type of battery. See right here. That's your power switch right here. This shows you have shore power or grid. This one shows you have inverter. So when this one goes out, the inverter automatically comes on. On this side right here, this is where you connect your battery. You have your negative and your positive, and another fan on this side. LCD port, dip switches, and LED port. And this is where your battery temp sensor would plug in. This is where you ground and your automatic generator start. So it's just a 2-wire system. You connect 2-wire. I'm going to use like a small 2-wire, like a telephone wire, and this would connect to this one on the generator, so they would communicate. That's how it starts the generator. Okay, so this is the inverter charger and all the accessories. This is the cover for your input right here. This would cover your input. Okay guys, now let's take a look at the generator. This is the Ames Power. Right here you got 3,200 starting and 2,800 running. It also has automatic choke. You could shut off the fuel, so you can drain the carburetor when you turn this one off. You just turn your fuel off, and then your stop switch is here. This one uses a key. So you can pull the key out, so you start the generator and take your key and stop it. And you have you can control the start-stop with a key. All right, let's take a close look at the front panel. You got your eco mode up front. You got your eco mode on top. Oil light, caution light, and power light. This is your automatic generator start. This is what connects to the inverter charger. Okay, your 120 volt protection right here for your GFCI protected plugs. You also have a 30 amp twist lock on this. This is really good. 12 volt. Shows you the key, and you have a DC restart for that 12 volt right here. Nice display panel, nice and bright. It shows you volt, amp, kilowatt hour, and hertz. Gas tank on top. And towards the back, you have your exhaust with spark arrestor. Nice, huge exhaust for the all the heat to get out this generator. Okay. This generator comes with 4 small wheels. I kind of wish the wheels were a little bigger. It does have a little brake on this one, so you could lock it in place. Okay, I'm gonna pull the side off so we can see inside the generator, and also show you where the battery is located. Battery is located in the front right here. One thing I also like about this generator, I have to point out, is the double handle. It has 2 handles, one in the back, one in the front. This makes it real easy to pick up and carry. By Ames Power. I think this is going to be a real fun project. Probably going to use AGM batteries on this at first. Then I'll go to lithium batteries once I get it set up. All right, guys, let's get the generator. Let's get some oil and gas in the generator, fire it up, and do a quick DB test on this generator. Okay, guys, got the screws out. Pull the top off. Okay, so this is the inside. This is your air filter, this huge air filter. There's 6 screws for this air filter. All right. This is one of the generator I've seen. Not too many generator has a primer bulb. Okay, you got your fuel filter right here. The primer bulb to prime your carburetor. And the pump. You see, I mean, the fuel tank is not located on top. It's on the front. You do have a spark plug access right here. You can see the spark plug down on the bottom. All the way back here with the silver top. That's your spark plug. Okay. Your oil fill. Let's go ahead and add some oil. Pull start. And your fuel on and off. Fuel off. The battery for this generator is located back here. You just remove these 2 screws and the face comes off. Grab it from the bottom. And that's where the battery is located, up front. Put it back. All right. Okay, guys. We got oil, we got gas. Prime it. 1, 2. Come right here, you hit your key. Okay, you can see the display panel. Real easy to read, real bright. The generator is really quiet. Let's do a quick DB test on it. Okay guys, let's do a sound test at 20 feet. Okay, right about 52.5 on eco mode. Let's go ahead and get it off eco mode. It's eco mode off. We're at about 54.5 off eco mode. Okay guys, as usual, if you like this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. I will be doing more on this Ames power system. Okay guys, please stay tuned for the second half of this video. I am going to be doing the installation, then we'll be adding solar to this. I already have the battery, and I don't know if I'm going to go AGM or lithium. Let me know which one you guys prefer. I have AGM or lithium. If you prefer either, put it down in the comment, because this one can handle all this different type of battery, okay? All right, let me know which one you guys would like me to use, the lithium battery or AGM. Okay guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and have a nice day guys. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye.